Good morning, class. How are you doing this fine morning?
Good morning, Dr. Brown.
Today we'll be learning about something very special.
Ooh.
Ah. Are we talking about chemical bonds?
No.
Anatomy?
No. Today we'll be talking about niches and their interactions with the environment.
What's a niche, Dr. Brown?
Wonderful question, inspired learner. Let's turn to page 99 in our textbooks.
A niche describes not only what an organism does, but also how it interacts with biotic and abiotic factors in the environment. A niche is the range of physical and biological conditions in which a species lives and the way the species obtains what it needs to survive and reproduce. Understanding niches is important to understanding how organisms interact to form a community.
Thanks for voicing this, guy.
Dr. Brown, how does a niche relate to, Costa Rica?
That's a very, very, very good question.
Need some help?
Yes, please.
Okay, listen here, class. As I said before, a niche is an organism's purpose in the environment and how it interacts to it. There are three aspects of a niche. 1. Resource, which refers to the necessities of life. Examples are food, water, nutrients, and space. 2. Physical aspects. Examples would be absorbing water through the skin or the loss of skin. 3. Biological, way food is eaten and reproduced and how it attains to food. Another example would be multiple species living in the same area and feeding on different prey.
Yes, but what does that have to do with Costa Rica? Well, a niche is an aspect of all life, no matter where you are in the world.
That is correct. The most popular niche or example would be food chains or webs. Food chains make up food webs and are related to every biome and environment. Today we will go over rainforest, especially the Santa Elena cloud forest in Costa Rica.
Oh, I love Santa Claus and the Tooth Fairy and the Easter Bunny. And can we talk about Easter Island? I love Easter Island. It's my favorite holiday.
No, we can't get into Easter Island today, but there are many examples, including how the abiotic factors and other types of niches that could have contributed to those giant statues that are found, but that is for another class. The Santa Elena Forest in Costa Rica is 765 acres, almost entirely covered in vegetation, even to a point where most roots and trees are covered by other vegetation. I'm sure you can see all the possibilities for niches and the food chains throughout such a vegetated area. The area is so dense, in fact, that in order for the plants to grow, they are forced to react to the environment and adapt. The result is plants growing over each other, which is an example of competition.
Wow, that sounds fantastic.
Of course, and it doesn't just relate to plants, but animals as well. One of the most well-known facts about birds is that they make nests. Nests are an example of a niche because it is the bird creating a home for itself using its resources. This can be said for a number of things, including when people make fires to stay warm. A niche and the concept of a niche is very simple. Any organism and how it uses and reacts to its environments, what eats it and what it eats, and how it contributes and interacts with its community and both abiotic and biotic factors.
I 100% agree. Okay, class, it appears it's time for a Kahoot.